Ganesh, and I'm hacking here at ETHIndia2023 with my teammates Priyadarsh and Siddharth as per Team GPT. And this is a project submission for ETHIndia. So we are building an application called CrossDrop. So with CrossDrop, we are basically making a tool that can help organizations and DAOs effortlessly target and airdrop NFTs to their competitors' power users. So just to give some context around it, vampire attacks are a very common thing for a marketing stunt or maybe a marketing team when it comes to a DAO or let's say any sort of organization in the Web3 space. So what it essentially means is, so if you are an up and coming GameFi, let's say you are a GameFi space developer or something, you want your game to be tried with most of the as much as the users as you can, and you're running a sort of like an airdrop campaign of your tokens or some fungibles or whatever that might be, and now you want the most amount of return on investment by basically ensuring that the token gets delivered to people who actually are going to use them rather than just dump them or just forgo them at all times. So just to show you how that generally works is, people look for let's say certain traits. Maybe someone holds Macy, someone holds Macy, or maybe someone holds both something else. Let's say the Cyberrunner NFT or something like that. And based on those factors, they can get the holders of the NFT, and maybe they just decide something on there. But the problem with this is basically just defining a single rule or maybe just going ahead with a manual approach does not always yield the best results. So that's where the crosstalk comes in. So once you're on the dashboard, you can go ahead and connect your wallet. I just connected mine. And once you connect your wallet, you can see that there's an option to upload your allow list. So your allow list is basically the list of users that you might have who have joined your wait list or whatever that is. And once you've uploaded the file, you can just go ahead and inspect that. So it will just redirect me to this new page where I can see what sort of wallet balances I have. I think this is going to refresh in a bit. But yeah, this is kind of the health check on the wallet addresses that it received. And here's a quick preview of the wallet it's getting right now. So you can see we have some very overall metrics like wallet balance, number of NFTs, XMTP owned, ENS owned, like the most of the basic things that you would need. But here's the most powerful thing that we are offering, which is an option to add filters. So with the help of APIs, we are able to basically check for certain tokens, check for number of transactions, check for NFT zone. So here I'll just make sure that whatever wallets I'm getting, they need to be filtered by having at least 10 transactions, maybe holding about 5 NFTs, and domains I'm gonna go ahead with one. But maybe I'm in a DeFi space, so I'm gonna go ahead with 10 token holdings at least because there are many shit coins and meme coins as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and calculate. So it's gonna refresh the list, and then it shows me the wallet addresses who were eligible after the API check. Once the API check is complete for all the wallet addresses, you can see that the proceed with airdrop button becomes visible, and you can go ahead with that. So now what we're doing is, with the help of Crossmint, we are able to create an NFT collection from scratch within a few seconds. So I'll just show you how easy it is. So once the user clicks on create collection, he can just upload any image that is hosted publicly and just name the collection and name the description and then just choose a chain. So for a lot of users, this time we noticed that a lot of builders are building on Polygon and Base and even Arbitrum. So we decided that these should be the chains that we are focusing on here. So let's say when it comes to Base, I know that the transaction speeds are really really fast. So maybe we can actually simulate this and just look at how the NFT looks like. So this is just some template image that I already had. I'm just gonna keep that thing, and I'm just gonna go ahead and deploy collection. And yeah, so with just the 3 to 4 metadata that we just had, we can see that the collection has been deployed successfully. I just got a message, and the API basically sends a response which is consisting of the collection ID, what sort of NFT image was there in the first place, and some other options as to how you can edit the metadata on the NFT and all. But right now, we're not going to cover that. So right now, I already have stored the collection address that just got published. So you can see that the collection is available on OpenSea, and it says that the NFT collection was minted. User's first NFT is the template name, whatever we had. That's called cool, and you can see that it also mentioned that it's owned by me. So basically, if I could just go to my MetaMask, I'm not sure if it has updated in the MetaMask extension itself, but based on this thing, it should update quite. It should update quite often. That yeah, now you have the NFT in your wallet itself. So this is going to help like marketers, website builders, or community builders. In fact, reach out to the audience that they could never do before, and with the help of these filters and eventually maybe an NLP engine that can take in prompts and basically understand from that, we can provide a very powerful tooling service that can help them effortlessly target and airdrop NFTs to the competitors' borrowers. Thank you. That was our project for ETH India. I hope you stick around for the next one.